Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial, how to set up ZFS storage pool on Ubuntu 14.04. This is my testing lab. Operating system RAM 2GB, disk 25GB. This is for operating system, IP address and additional disk, CPU to service ZFS storage. 14.04. Check disk, check IP address. 13. Must be server update and upgrade done. Upgrade done. Now add ZFS repository using this command. Successfully add key server. Now must be update. Then install Ubuntu ZFS. Now install Ubuntu ZFS package. Press Y. Installation done. Now check where is ZFS file. lsblk show disk space, show disk space running. Now add 4 additional disks for setup ZFS pool. This is my Zen server virtualization system. Now add 4 disks and every disk is 5GB. Two, 3, 4. Yes. Now see, this is XVDB, XVDC, XVDE and XVDF. Successfully add. Now start ZFS shared service. Yes, now create ZFS pool. Create this is pool is my storage shared name. Using this disk, try running ZFS. Yes, successfully create. So must be run this command before create ZFS pool. Yes, successfully create pool and add admin user. This is password. Full name admin, room name 12, work phone. Skip this step and all is correct. And then install apt samba package for share this ZFS storage and every client access from Windows machine. Yes, samba package successfully done. And create admin user. This is storage admin. This is a storage admin, ZFS storage admin. And stop samba package and then start samba package and create directory and mount this directory on my storage pool. Set up permission, user admin and group admin. Set up full permission, read and write. Set SMB share, my pool storage, ZFS status. Yes, storage pool state is online. Error, no any error. See all status. Now access ZFS share from Windows client machine using network. Now access from my Windows machine. This is my storage share pool. Now password admin user and admin password. Yes, connected successfully. Now create folder and any file. Go to mnt Windows share. Yes, task text.txt. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.